Can science help us explain this field of infinite possibilities, this greater consciousness, this energy that we call God? Is there a connection? Is there a bridge between science and spirituality? Well, we're going to find out tonight. This is Tom Kieran with the Be Something Wonderful studio of Higher Consciousness in San Diego, California, where we help you level up and become the best version of yourself. Welcome back, guys. We're going to do our second installment of Going Quantum. And if you remember our last installment, we talked about going quantum. Everything is energy. Just a real quick review. We talked about that we are energy at our core. Everything is energy. The universe, the furniture, pizza, everything. Everything is energy. And matter is energy, right? We're made of atoms, and 99.99999% of an atom is energy. So we're mostly energy, but as I pointed out, we tend to focus on this 0.0001% is the matter, right? This is what we focus our lives on, when really we're mostly energy. We're mostly spiritual. We've talked about this, right? Energy equals matter. This has been determined by science. Really, it's mind and matter are connected. And then we talked about this idea that the electrons, which are made up at the quantum level, at the subatomic level, that these electrons exist as a wave of probability. They either exist as a particle or a wave until attention is placed on them, until we give them attention. Yeah, and then the wave is collapsed, and boom, we have a material manifestation, right? So the idea is this energy, or that all matter is made up of this energy, all made up of these electrons, this light, and this light or this energy is a wave until there's attention placed on it, until there's consciousness on it, until there's conscious attention placed on it, and it becomes a particle. And we talked about this. This is collapsing the wave of probability. This is what the quantum physicists talk about. And guys, we ended it on the idea that all things are possible to us because of this, because that these electrons exist, because of the possibility that everything exists as a possibility until we give our mindful attention. That would mean that anything is possible for us. So let's move forward here to our next lesson. This is exciting stuff. And again, there's a lot of stuff out there on it. In my book, Be Something Wonderful When Suddenly You Want to Be More, I do a little thing on quantum. I'm not a scientist. I just pull from some resources. And also Dr. Joe Dispenza in Breaking the Habit of Becoming You does a great job on explaining this. I'll leave a link below. Going Quantum, the field of infinite possibilities. So we talk about the field of infinite possibilities from the spiritual side, as that God consciousness, as that infinite potential of all there is, was, or ever be. This is the science side. And just to show you that there is a bridge here, there's something going on that we're beginning to understand. This started, years ago, right, with Einstein, that matter is energy. And it continued, the study of quantum physics. This is you. You're made up of atoms, which are made up of subatomic particles, which these subatomic particles are really just energy. Yes? And the key here, guys, it's energy with a consciousness. So you are energy with a consciousness. You are connected with everything in this field. This field is beyond time and space, right? This is what we talk about. It's like God consciousness. And here's the other cool thing. There's this idea called entanglement in quantum physics. Once a particle is connected, it's always connected. So what you do to one, it's connected in this energy, it's connected in this field. And so what you do to one affects the other. This is huge, right? Because literally what we do to others, we do unto ourselves. The golden rule. They don't call it golden for nothing, right? This is literal, right? Because we are all connected by this energy. How do we communicate with this quantum? And this is called the quantum field, guys. Also, another name for it. That's the scientific name. We've been talking about this as God consciousness, but just to show you the bridge and a little bit of routine science behind it, that we are entangled beyond space and time through our thought. And so how do we communicate? Through our thoughts and feelings. This is very powerful. Our thoughts, this is according to Joe Dispenza and others, send out electronic signals. We all are on a frequency. We all emit this, because we're energy, we have a frequency to that energy. And that frequency is determined on our thoughts and feelings. The thoughts send out an electric wave, and the feelings send out a magnetic wave. So that's this electromagnetic signature that we all have, depending on our thoughts and feelings. So low emotions such as anger, fear, jealousy, envy, frustration, those will send out electromagnetic waves of low vibration. What happens? Those will connect with other waves or energy of low vibration, and that's what you will attract in your reality. We'll talk more about this and how this is, because if all these possibilities exist, if these electrons are out there and they're in a wave, we can collapse that wave and then literally create our own reality, create the future now. This is powerful stuff. This is how we communicate, guys, and it's through thoughts and feelings, this electromagnetic signature. This is from quantum physics, right? This is how we knew this, right, on a spiritual level, on a level of who we are, but this is on the quantum level, and it's quite amazing that you can see that link. So literally, you can connect, you can create your own reality. We're going to talk more about this. I'll send you a link. I'll put a link down for Joe Dispenza on this and Breaking the Habit of Becoming You. I really like his take on it. We'll do more from his books. But what's the takeaway tonight for this quantum lesson? There's a quantum field. That field is what we talked about as consciousness. This consciousness is energy just like everything else. Everything is energy in the universe. Everything is this energetic information field, and we're part of this. Therefore, we're all connected. And so we're in constant communication with this field through our thoughts and feelings, through this electromagnetic charge that we send out. So we attract from that field. If we're thinking and feeling the same thing every day, then we're always creating a new reality, but it's the same reality. This is key. We're always creating. We never stop creating. And it feels like we're not, right? When we wake up in the morning and it's the same day, it's the same. We're getting the same problems. We're getting the same obstacles. We're suffering the same way. We feel like nothing's changing. In fact, it's always changing. It's just changing into the same reality. Right? You're drawing these new events, but they're the same. They have the same electromagnetic signature. Unless you change your thoughts and feelings, you don't change your life. You don't change the events. You don't change the circumstances. We'll talk more about this in our next installment of Going Quantum. But this is powerful, guys. This is what I wanted to introduce tonight. But it's very important. This is how we communicate, through our thoughts and feelings in this field. We're constantly exchanging information. So when you're angry, you are sending out electromagnetic and attracting that. You're matching with other angry events, and that's what you'll pull in. So if it feels like sometimes your day starts out bad and it gets worse, and you don't change your thoughts and feelings, that's why. That's why. Yep. We'll talk more about this, guys. We'll talk about this idea beyond time and space. This is in the quantum way. We'll intersperse this through the other lessons. That's what I got for tonight. So guys, this is Tom Kieran with the Be Something Wonderful studio of Higher Consciousness in San Diego, California, where we help you level up and become the best version of yourself. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Subscribe, hit the little caricature of me that's coming on the video now. And you can always subscribe throughout the video. There's a little Be Something Wonderful in the right-hand corner. Don't forget to like the video and share it and comment. That's how we get our message out at Be Something Wonderful, yeah? Until next time, this is Tom Kieran. See you soon.